you can see here, this is my pen drive, and you can see here is some spaces remaining. And you can see the total size and the remaining size over here. If I click on the here, then I cannot see here the any data in my pen drive, right? So to get the data, first of all, go to the search bar and just type the asterisk. And after typing the asterisk, I can get all the folder and file that is inside my pen drive, right? This is the first way to see the files and folder inside the pen drive. So this is the first way, and you can copy and paste and you can use it. So you can get all your data from here. So this is a simple and then the first way to get the data. And if you want to see the second way, just copy this path where your pen drive is located. Just go click on the pen drive and then just click on here and just copy this path and just open the browser, any browser, and go to the browser. And after going to the browser, just paste it here and you can get all your files and folder, and you can copy and paste and you can use your data. And this is the second way to get your all the data from pen drive. Third way is to open the command prompt and just in an administrative mode. And after opening the command prompt, just you have to write some, just copy and paste these things, and then you can get these things in the video description also. And just change this F. It means that just change this F into the pen drive symbol. So pen drive symbol means again go to the pen drive and just see there inside the braces that there is a I, right? So just type the I instead of F. But in my case I, in your case that could be any other letter. So you have to remember and you have to just type the letter that is inside the braces, right? Again go to the command prompt and just change F into the I in my case. So I'm changing this F into I, and then okay, let me just change this. And if I press the enter, now if I go into my pen drive again after cancelling this command prompt or without cancelling this, and if I click on the here, now I can get all my pen drive data from here. In this way you can get all your data by yourself. If you find this video is helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.